Nama the chief is a man of Palmina. I shall what do one boat in a speed boat. What do to Sudo? Baby and an impact yet now. Why done there, river, what the speed boat to do? Yeah, they evacuating Corfu. And I want by safest place. So far, the Yakupanadum intervention put in place the Wabwa. One issue like this, the first thing is to save life. Now, it's rather unfortunate today. You bred or your prison officer. All of boy, soon to more fun, Koya. Yanta some papa.
And so far, onone enkwa ya hwere o sa situation mu.
Ono so far enkwa ya hwere no sa situation mu. Na adana wa says kan over adan bebre community bebre how we collapse. So let's all come together to support. This is an emergency situation. Abana nko say ntumi yen individuals one boy so that we find a place for young couple in Sioux. The Ghana Prisons Office was one canteen, and what the man, assembly, mattress, the mattress, Ghana Health Service, so man, mosquito net, you took one now, won't you? Then we collapse it, ground zero, and there's a data general, obey. Na yesha mbowa sabita faji bisode so ye make try academy mbowa free wo beti dan wa akọ ni yakopo na doba ye tumi ye save the situation no
yeah to say mo community ba kon Saman berase menim se minyadini ya ese na ho so cut off situation it say wo ha no pay
since Saman Brass, what happened there? Only two communities. I want to heard of local government service. OP. Yesterday, you was also part of the team. Regional Minister Kawo, Data Jana. So what it means there from Saman is and to Monko Brass because bridge are all linked on the bridge in the way caving. Into separate for Brass, you cannot come from a foot. And so that kafa Almina Johnson kafa Aguna Edefa kafa Aguna Edeba. And say honestly a good old bar today or ya go upon the prayer papa road minister or Baba cancer or Jukana or the KEEA no
Honorable video aye hui eye ankafo prisons ho ese wonyina eyiri yo na fe na duafo no da hen na besi anopai ekofem ana
but for prisoners at the but communities are also around the abe
okay so in the video aye hui enye image funamo communities are around
communities are around image so far there was nothing to that effect. Communities all around. In the road, so are all linked from Almena Jason to Ankafu Prison, so we KB, Kakra, Yapa urban routes, Bawaba, Yede, Ahuma, the car be around to Monko. Yes.
We know who can't say, and yet, a dear test, Tiefan say, a yaturenchem and Abba.
Yes, what I'm told by experts from the University of Cape Coast, Geography Department, what my today, I think a natural rivers in every